Now it's time to tell you my secret to creating cool social media promotions in minutes. No design skill, no confusing software, and absolutely no waste of time. All you need, only Microsoft PowerPoint, and all done in minutes. Proudly presenting Alta Stories and Ads templates. With these templates, you can make cool stories and ads promotions for Instagram and Facebook incredibly fast and easy. You only need to do 3 simple steps. Step 1. Choose the templates you need from 1,000 preview designs inside. Step 2. Customize text, image, or background using only Microsoft PowerPoint. Step 3. Save as MP4 or another format, and all done in minutes. And you can create new combination templates with Typography Custom Pack. And if you like transitions from video, but you don't like the typography design, you can choose typography from our typography library and copy and paste it into your video project. Wow, this is very easy and saves a ton of your time. So what are you waiting for? Act now. Get 60% launch discount today.